Welcome to No Worries Biology. My name is Anja Doyle, and today I would like to talk about small and large cells. Before we talk about the size of cells, let's quickly review the metric system used to measure length. The basic unit is, of course, the meter, and a meter is just a little bit more than 3 feet in the imperial system. Each meter is comprised of 10 decimeters, and a decimeter is about this long. Each decimeter consists of 10 centimeters, a centimeter being about that long, and each centimeter can be subdivided into 10 millimeters. A millimeter is about the thickness of a credit card. But when talking about cells, we need units even smaller than that. So 1 millimeter equals 1,000 micrometers, and 1 micrometer equals 1,000 nanometers. In other words, 1 meter equals 1 billion nanometers, or 1 nanometer is 1 billionth of a meter. Usually, when talking about cells, micrometer is the most common and practical unit to use. Most plant and animal cells range somewhere between 10 and 100 micrometers in length, while most bacteria are about 1 to 10 micrometers long. However, a few years ago, scientists discovered ultra-small bacteria. They are about 0.3 micrometers or 300 nanometers long, and there you have it. They are the smallest cells currently known to us. Now let's have a look at bigger cells. It is quite often said that the biggest cells in the human body are egg cells, produced by females. They are about 100 to 200 micrometers in diameter, so they can be seen with the naked eye. And they are the biggest, but only if by biggest you mean with the largest volume. But if by biggest you mean the longest, then we actually have much bigger cells in our body. Some of our neurons, our nerve cells, can be more than a meter long. So while their cell body is quite small, the axon, which is this long process here, can cover pretty much the entire body height of a human. Quite impressive. Now, when you think about animals that are much bigger than humans, like giraffes or humpback whales or giant squids, their neurons are, of course, much longer than ours as well. When you ask the internet what the biggest cell is, you will find many posts that claim that the ostrich egg, with a length of about 15 centimeters, holds that record. Here you can see it compared to a chicken's egg. But that is actually not true, because avian eggs consist of thousands of cells. And even the yolk consists of many cells by the time the egg gets laid. However, the ostrich egg cell, which is contained within the yolk, is quite big in itself, with a diameter of 7 millimeters. So the true record holder is not the ostrich, but an algae called Caulerpa taxifolia. Each organism of that species consists of a single cell and can be up to a meter long. That is ginormous in the world of cells. When we have a closer look at it, you can see that this cell is highly branched. It is quite puzzling to biologists how a cell can be this large and maintain its functionality at the same time. Well, biology is fascinating. This is it for today. On www.noworriesbiology.com you can find many materials on cells or other topics of biology. Just have a look around, maybe you find something that you like.